women can really make me lose my mind. But why is that? Because they represent everything I care about, good and bad, right and wrong, heaven and hell. But you see, please take my advice, but only in this matter. Listen to this woman and you are going to be immediately rewarded. I feel I have something like a permission to kill these women without being caught. If I want to, I just pick one up on the next street corner. However, if you would like to join us in Madrid on the 11th of August and see if I change my mind, you will be more than welcome. But for this evening, I have had quite enough.